Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the UnityPlayer.dll not found error or crash on Windows. First, close the game and any launchers that are running. Sometimes your antivirus software deletes the DLL file because it thinks it is unsafe. If you installed the game through Steam, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on the game, choose Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will check the game and download any missing or broken files, including UnityPlayer.dll. You can follow the same steps for any launcher. Next, check your antivirus software. Open your antivirus settings. Add the game folder or the game executable file to the exclusion list. This prevents the file from being removed again. After that, install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages. Open your browser and search for the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable download. Open the official Microsoft website and download the latest supported versions. Install both x86 and x64 packages, even if your system is 64-bit. The error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching.